Hey everybody, Greg here with another 5 minute or less photo edit. I got a picture of Brew here on the beach and you know what, it looks a little bit flat. So I'm going to do a little bit of work in it. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to tune my image. Actually, first of all, I'm going to go in, rotate, and I'm going to get this horizon straight because that'll have me driven mad. So let's line things up. No. This is tricky enough when it's only a tiny adjustment. Perfect. That is... Oh, that's better. That is better. Okay, tune image. Increase the brightness. Look at your histogram. Keep an eye on that. Make sure you don't go overblown with it. I'm going to increase my saturation. He's looking a little bit redder than he looks in real life, but that's okay. I'm going to fix that up in a minute. I'll leave warmth as it at about there, I think. Yep, perfect. Right, so... white balance. Let's have a bit of fun with this. Go a little bit sunset maybe. Let's have a bit of a play with it and see where we feel works well. I think somewhere around there, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into my curves. I'm going to hit my blues. I'm going to just pull them back just a little bit. Now, I feel Brew himself is just a little bit on the orange side. So what I'm going to do is brush saturation -5 really quickly and just give him a little bit of a painting over. Now I get rid of his lovely colours in his coat, but it's very quickly perfect. And then what I can do is go back in with my Dodge and Burn brush, bring up my highlights a little bit because that will look a little bit darker, and that's his natural colour. That is much better. That is much better. So what I'm going to do is increase the highlight on his back a little bit and darken it just underneath his rib cage. Maybe not, maybe pull that back there. I do want to show that there's actually difference between his legs here and back here. Cool. And I probably need to reduce down the saturation there just a tiny bit as well. Awesome. I don't know if you can hear him in the background. He's having a great time running around. And I probably need to increase the saturation here just a little teeny bit. Okay. Another thing that's going to make him stand out a little bit more in the picture, and yeah, that's a bit more like his natural color, would be a nice vignette. Now I think I want to, he's not exactly center in the picture, but he's definitely not on a real thirds or anything like that. So let's go original, let's go free. Let's go to a format. I think I might go with 3:2. We're already in that format. What am I doing? We're already in that format. I'm gonna put him center. Don't want to lose the fact that we got a bit of a horizon in the background. I want them. I'm happy with that. Cool. Okay. Vignette. Let's play vignette. And somewhere there looks good. Very quickly, let's go in again and use our brush to just bit of a shadow underneath him, bit of a shadow here, bit of a shadow under some of the waves, increase them a little bit more. No, that was too significant. There. A bit more, very quickly, and then a little bit of highlight on the tops of them as well. And a little bit of a highlight on his ear. Oh, super quick details, and I'm gonna get my structure and sharpen this up a little bit. Okay, that's it. We're done. We're done. Bit of an improvement. 5 minutes or less photo edit. Thanks for checking it out. Take it easy.